Where is he, Bill? Come on, get him. He's right here. Where is he? Come on. Go get him. There goes a rabbit.
What's up, Doc?
No, Bella, no, Bella, no. Bella, no. All right, guys, me and Belle, we're going dove hunting. Belle's there's your first dove hunt. Oh my goodness, what are you thinking, Belle? Huh? You excited? Huh? She's super excited. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get out there and get set up. We gotta go get some fuel, go get some grub, get some water for the doggy, and let's go shoot some doves. Can't wait. There should be a whole bunch of them. So we're gonna get set up, show you what we're using, and it's gonna be a good one. Opening morning is always a good day, so we'll see you out there, guys. Going off-roading, guys. Got a $70,000 truck I gotta scratch up. Oh my goodness.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes, and I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer.
All right, so what I'm using is my TriStar over and under. I love this little gun. It's nice and light, kind of kicks the shit out of you a little bit. We're also shooting a 12 gauge. We're shooting 7.5 shot. I love 7.5 shot, so let's go.
Environments. Where is he, Bill? Come on, get him. He's right here. Where is he? Come on. Go get him. There goes a rabbit.
What's up, Doc?
No, Bella, no, Bella, no.
Did you drop one? Get it. Get it, Belle. Go get it. Right there. Come here, Belle. Right here. Belle. Right here. Get it. Right there, Belle. Get it. Get it right there. Get it, Belle. Good girl. Good girl, Belle. Get it, Belle. Right there, Belle. I'll get it.
Alright guys, some more doves down. This is called a Eurasian dove there. They have that little ring on their neck and they're kind of wider. A little bit bigger than a normal dove. We can shoot a limited amount of these, so there's plenty to go around.
Oh, bouncers. Good girl. That's good girls.
Come here. Val. Alright, Savannah's turn to shoot. Let's see how good she is. Put the coffee down and get ready.
I plan on dropping it, you know.
Get it! No, God, you're too slow.
What? What the?
Oh, your reaction time is way too
I
slow.
didn't get it off the safety.
That's like the slowest reaction time I've ever seen.
Daddy, chill.
Oh man, how did I miss that one? Go get him, Belle! Go get him! Come on! Go get him, Belle! Belle! Go get him! Go get him! Come on, he's still alive! Come on! This will be a good one. Come on, Belle! Damn. Too far. Get him, Belle. Where'd he go? Get him, Belle. Get him. Good girl. Bring it. Come on. Bring it. So you start walking straight.
Reloaded it, right?
Yeah. Make sure safety's off. Get him.
Down in there.
Come on, Belle. Come on. Bring it. Bring it.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Belle. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Bird video, though.
All right, guys. Belzer's here deserves a little treat, huh? Because she helped get all these, huh? So she deserves some dove meat, huh? So we're gonna get her some dove fillets here. She deserves it because she worked hard, huh, Belzer's? She works super hard. Oh, look at that big old chunk of meat. She has a little esophagus problem, so I'm gonna chop this up into smaller pieces for her. Oh, yummy. All right, guys, we are ready for our catch and cook here. So I got our dove meat. So what I got is bacon, jalapenos, and I got some pepper jack cheese. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make some poppers. I'm gonna show you guys two separate ways that I like to do. For one way is just to cook it right off the bone. And another one's jalapeno poppers. So let's do some jalapeno poppers first. That's something I'm not gonna want. There she is. So we're just gonna cut the meat off the breast, like so. Just like that. We'll throw that away. Filet mignon of the sky is what they call doves, so it's pretty delicious. So there's our dove meat right there. So now, we get our bacon. Like that, and we get our jalapeno. I'm gonna put some, maybe that's a little thick cheese. We'll just cut that in half right there. Like that. Get our other piece. And then we're just gonna stick our toothpick through there. Like that. And there we got an jalapeno popper. Bacon, get our meat, cheese and jalapeno, wrap. Stab it. There we go. Just like that. All right, guys, we got a pan full of olive oil. We're just gonna stick our meat on it. We're just gonna crispy all that up. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this in the grease right here. We're just gonna do one side for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So what you wanna do is do one side, other side, and then you wanna do the top. So you flip it over so this breast ends up and you get that top piece right there. About 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It should be pretty juicy. Okay, guys, time to flip. The other side. We do want that color though. We want that nice crisp color. Delicious. All right, it's his first time eating dove. He doesn't have the jalapeno in it, but I got the jalapeno in mine. So let's go ahead and bite into it. That's good.
Oh, it's really good.
Really good.